Greetings, it's Brandon here from J Contractors, and today I have a topic which is very simple, and we want to look at flat roof versus gable roof. So I'll start by what are the areas that flat roof is suitable of. Number one, commercial buildings. That's number one. Number two, you can see it. Number two, let me come here so that we can see it and see what we are doing it. Number two, it's urban areas. In urban areas, flat roof is very suitable, and in commercial and in places where there's low rainfall. Where there's low rainfall, it is very important that you can consider flat roof. And the first, second, third one, the fourth one. The fourth one is when you want to make use of the rooftop. When you want to make use of the rooftop, it can work also on the terraces. It can work putting solar system. Flat roof are good for that. There's much space, so you can use it if you want to use usage of that area. So it plays a good role if you are using the area. So having said that, we have looked at the flat roofs, where the flat roof is suitable for commercial buildings, urban areas. We looked also at usage of the area. If you want to really use the area, you can also use it. We also consider that the rainfall has to be very low in the area to consider this one. Then gable roof. Where is the gable roof suitable for? Traditional areas with the heavy rain. They are most suitable for cold places. Cold and heavy rain. Places. These ones also are suitable for suburbs, rural areas. Very good for suburbs and rural areas. It's very important when you are using it for traditional areas with more rain, where so much cold. In suburbs, it is very suitable for that, so you can really use this one. Traditional areas with heavy rain, heavy rain places, yes. Suburbs and rural, these are the places that you can use that are suitable for more than disadvantages and advantages of having. Let's start with the flat roof. Pros is it's cheap. It's very cheap when you are going with the flat roof. It's very cheap. Flat roof is very cheap. Easier. Let me just say easy. It's very easy either to design or to install. This is very easy. It's usable. Cheap, easy, usable. This roof, you can easily use it for anything that you want. Very easy to design. We say easy to design already. So cheap, easy to design, very usable, low on cost. It doesn't cost that much when you are using. Having said this, now we are moving to cons. What are the disadvantages? Number one is that yes, it is cheap, but it doesn't last long. It has short lifespan. Very short lifespan. This one, if it's not installed properly, more leaks. Number three, leaks are very easily can be identified in this one. They leak very easily. Number 3 is that maintenance. You have to maintain them every time. Maintenance, you better invest in maintenance when having a flat roof. The 4th one, heat can be it can be so much. This flat roof heat, you don't want to talk about it. You die inside. Heat will be too much heat will be found in that. So these are the pros, these are the cons. So in the pros, we say they are cheap, they are easy to install, usable, very easy. Cost is very nice. It's cheap, usable, you can use it, you can put solar system, you can install anything. On the cons, short lifespan, doesn't last long. Leaks can be easily be found if the roof is not properly installed. Maintenance, time to time maintenance is needed, and heat inside, it will be hot.
Have that at the back of your mind. Going on the next one, they are looking at
Gable roof. Pros and cons of a Gable roof. This one, they have excellent pros, sort of, we say pros and cons here. Hope you can see it. Cons. Excellent drainage. When you look at them, they are so attractive. They are so attractive, these ones. Excellent drainage, very attractive. Number 3, they last very long. They last long lifespan. Lifespan. They have long lifespan, and they look very excellent. The drainage is very wonderful, attractive. Number 4, heavy rain, or windy. It can take these things. You don't have to worry. And also, it has good ventilation for insulation and all the stuff. They have good ventilation. It's not going to be hot in there. So it's very good. Then we move on to what are the disadvantages. It's very expensive. It has less usable space. The space you can't use it. It has a less usable space. And number 3, it's very complex to build. Very complex to build. And also, it is access to maintain is it's very hard to access maintenance. Hard to access for maintenance. Hard access for maintenance. It's very hard to access it on the maintenance side of it. So these are the pros and cons for having Gable roof. We say drainage is very excellent. It's very attractive. The advantages, it's very attractive, long lifespan, and you can install it in a heavy weather, and even it be rain, you can install it. Then on the cons, we said it is too expensive. It is very complex to build, and also access to maintenance is very hard. You struggle for you to maintain it. I hope this information helped. If it helps you, please, I want you to like, share, hit that subscribe button so that we can be able even to produce more content like this that will be very useful in everything that you are doing. Thank you.